Hello guys, Alex from Autopilot channel is here. Today gonna put some decals on my Ford Raptor. Let's see how it will go. Gonna take the car to the car wash right now just to clean it up, and after that we'll put some alcohol on top of the details where the decal will go, just to wipe up the dust and do all that stuff. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna update decals and install them at the tailgate, at the letters Ford and F-150, as well as Raptor, and back tailgate lights, as well as in the front grille where we have Ford letters, and also front lights. So we'll see how it goes. I also had a new updated antenna to change the default one which they provide out of stock, I guess. And I don't like it because it's a little bit too high and doesn't look very good on it, so I'm gonna update it to something more smaller and more slick looking. So we'll see. Okay, so let's grab the alcohol. We have some denaturated alcohol right here. This will help to remove all the dust, as I was talking about. Here is how the decal looks like. You can see these are the gray letters which are gonna go for the back tailgate. We also have F-150 as well as Raptor. Ford letters which are going to the front of the car. This is going also to the front of the lights, I guess, where it should be. We'll figure it out. And this decal is going to the back of the tailgate lights. So yeah, here's how it looks like. Let's try to install it. We'll see how it goes. So as you can see guys, I have installed the decals for the letters on the tailgate for the F-150 and Ford and Raptor, but there are a little bit bubbles inside it because the decal itself is pretty big and it's a little bit more complicated to install than I anticipated, but I'll show you what I mean. So as you can see here, camera should show you, there are some of the bubbles because of the installation, and it's pretty hard to avoid them because they're gonna be anyway. So to get rid out of them, what I'm gonna do, I have a pin, and basically if you make a hole inside the bubble with a pin, you just poke it basically, you can remove the air from it and it will go. And you see now you basically don't see the bubble, so we can do the same stuff on these two. And then it's kind of easy to remove them. So I would need to do that for all of the bubbles which we have here, just to make it look pretty, and not ugly. And as you can see, there you go. Okay, so yeah, but here is how it looks like already. I think it's definitely standing out. So we'll continue with the tailgates and all other stuff which we have here. Alright, so almost done with the installation of the decals in the front and rear parts of the car. So the only one thing left to replace the antenna, which is pretty straightforward. If you guys look at it, it's not that complicated. Just remove the top. Nothing special here. Unscrew it until the end so that it would fall off, basically like that. And we have another one which is gonna be sitting right there. It's much smaller, so I'm gonna install it right here, and this house is gonna look like much slick. I guess. This is how the front part looks like after the installation. You can see the orange letters Ford with the carbon inside it, which is definitely not the real carbon, just the film, but still like that. On these parts we have letters Ford Performance and Raptor. The same one is here. And as you can see, if we take a look closer, there are some small wrinkles. I don't know if the camera will show it. Yeah, it's probably, you can see it now. But this will go away after the heat and the sun will take place. It will hit the film, and after that I will be able to straighten it and the wrinkles will be gone. It just, you know, I'm not the best decal installator in the world, I guess. So here's how the back part looks like. The back tailgate lights, Raptor, letters Ford. Now it definitely takes attention, as well as F-150 and another back. So let's take a look from here. Let me take this one away. So this is how the back looks like. And this is the front. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me know how do you like in the comment section installation of the decal, if you would install it by yourself or you would try to skip it. I think it adds a little bit of the color, you know, so I would rather go with it. That's why I basically installed it. I'm gonna leave the links just in case in the comment section, where I bought all the decals as well as the front antenna for the radio. Not affiliate links, I'm not sponsoring or promoting anything, just, you know, for your convenience, if you like something that you can use it. And thank you, subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and if you don't like it, as well like it. And subscribe to the channel, and you can follow us on Instagram as well. Thank you and see you soon.